Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study chemistry. Begin by building a strong foundation in core concepts. Focus on understanding atomic structure, chemical bonding, and the different types of reactions. Make sure you can confidently balance chemical equations and grasp the principles of the periodic table. A solid understanding of these basics will make more complex topics much easier to learn. Active learning is crucial for chemistry. Don't just read, engage with the material. Make flashcards for important terms and formulas. Work through numerous practice problems from your textbook and previous exams. Visualizing concepts by drawing diagrams or flowcharts can also be incredibly helpful. Try explaining difficult topics to a friend or even to yourself to solidify your knowledge. Effective revision is key to long-term retention. After each lesson, summarize the main points in your own words. This helps you process and remember information better. Pinpoint any areas where you struggle and spend extra time reviewing them. Studying with a group can also provide new perspectives and help clarify doubts. Remember to take regular, short breaks to keep your mind fresh. As exams approach, focus on strategic preparation. Practice with timed mock tests to get comfortable with the format and time constraints. Critically review any mistakes you make in practice to understand where you went wrong. Maintaining a positive mindset is also vital. Believe in your hard work. Finally, ensure you get enough sleep and eat well to perform your best on exam day.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.